We all use money daily, but have you ever stopped to think how it works? In this video, I will share with you the history of money, how money was created, the different forms it can take, and how you can make lots of it. Also, I will share with you a few tips how you can save your money from inflation. So let's start. The history of money. Money has always been a means of exchange for thousands of years. Early forms of money included beads, shells, and stones. Eventually, coins were introduced as a standardized form of currency. In the modern world, paper money was introduced, but also we use digital currency like credit cards and cryptocurrency. The creation of money. So how is money created? Well, money is actually created by central banks like the Federal Reserve in the United States. These banks have the authority to create new money by printing physical bills and also adding digital funds into bank accounts. This process is called monetary policy, and it is used by central banks to control the economy by regulating the amount of money in circulation. What are the forms of money? As mentioned earlier, there are different forms of money. Physical money includes coins and bills, which are tangible and can be exchanged in person. Digital money includes things like credit cards and online payment platforms like PayPal and Venmo. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins are another form of digital currency that has gained popularity in recent years. So money is an important part of our daily lives, but it is also a complex system that helps to regulate our economy. Click the link in the comment section below to know how you can make lots of money and how you can protect your money from inflation. Also consider watching our other videos on my left.